In this module, we will be looking at changing your preferences within LexisPSL. This will include setting up alerts, changing your password, changing your screen name, and setting a home page. To begin setting up your preferences, hover your mouse over the button showing your name in the red bar at the top of the screen, and click on the words My Settings, which appear in the drop-down just below. You can now see the My Settings page. The page is split up into 3 areas: changing password and screen name, changing your home page, and setting up alerts. To change your password, click on the words Change Password on the left-hand side of the screen. You can now see a form which needs to be filled in to reset your password. In the first box, enter your current password. Then enter your new password into the box below. Hover your mouse over the question mark on the right to see the rules for creating a password. Re-enter your new password into the box below. Below is a box to enter your email to send you a password reminder if you forget it. Finally, select a security question from the drop-down menu and enter the answer in the final box. If you do forget your password, you'll need to answer this security question to get an email reminder. You can now click on Save. Now let's look at how to change your screen name. From the My Settings page, click on the words Change Screen Name. The overlay shows your current screen name and has a box for you to enter your new screen name below. Hover over the question mark to learn the rules for a screen name. Finally, enter your password for LexisPSL in the last box and click Save. We'll now look at how to change the home page you will see as soon as you log into LexisPSL. We recognise that some lawyers may require information from a number of different areas of legal practice. The default setting when you log into LexisPSL is to display the last practice area you have been using from your previous session within LexisPSL. This function allows you to specify that LexisPSL should always start with a particular practice area. To begin, click on the words Change Default Homepage. You will see that the current selection is to use the last practice area page viewed. To change this selection, use the drop-down menu to select a new default homepage. I will select Banking and Finance. Finally, click Save. The final element of LexisPSL we will be looking at is setting up alerts. These are regular emails compiled by our in-house team of professional support lawyers to keep you updated with legal developments in areas of your choosing. To begin, click on the words Set up and Change Email Alerts on the right-hand side of the My Settings page. Each practice area you subscribe to has its own alerts. To set up an alert for a particular practice area, click on the words Set Up in blue on the right-hand side. Then, choose between receiving alert emails on a daily basis or weekly basis. I will select Weekly Basis. Enter your email address into the box next to the word Send Email To. Finally, choose between receiving alerts on all topics within this practice area or only selected topics. To select topics, click on the radio button next to the word Selected Topics and then tick the box next to each relevant topic. I will select Acquisition Finance and Project Finance. Then click Save. To create an alert for another practice area, follow the same process after clicking into the next practice area. I will click Set Up for Restructuring and Insolvency. I will then select Weekly and select the topics Restructuring and Cross-Border. Once you have finished, click on the X in the corner to close the overlay screen. That concludes this module. For further information on other aspects of using LexisPSL, please see additional modules.